In Palu, a shallow earthquake struck with brutal speed, liquefying soil and sending concrete pillars tumbling in seconds. A mother cradled her child as the ground rocked, a tsunami warning flashing and crowds scrambling to higher ground. Rescuers sprinted through mangled streets, pulling the injured from wreckage, while aftershocks rattled walls and radios crackled with grim reports. When the sea rose, a narrow stairwell became a lifeline, strangers racing upward before the building finally gave way. Hours later, the world watched rescue teams map the ruins, delivering food, shelter, and renewed hope to a shaken city.